All right, good day, everyone. Good day, viewers. You're welcome to our online class, the master class. We'll talk about indices and logarithm. Now, we've talked about indices, talk about the question involving indices in our previous classes. If you want to get more of those previous classes, you can go over my channel. You get the topics that talks about indices, the laws of indices, and equation involving indices. Now, let's go through to another topic, which is logarithm. Now, many students have issues talking about logarithm as a topic. Logarithm is one of the most simplest topic you can ever have in mathematics. Now, before we talk about logarithm, we must know the laws that govern logarithm of numbers. Now, the first law is called the addition law. The addition law states that if you have a given logarithm about a base m addition to log b base n, the law states that if the base of the log are the same, you pick one of the log, since they have the same base, then for addition, you now multiply the index. Now we have a multiplied by m, which is log an base ab, sorry, ab base m. So it will be log, pick one of the log, then if they are the same base, you pick one of them, pick one, then you multiply the index. So you have log a times b base m, which is log ab base m. Secondly, second law we have is called the subtraction law. Subtraction law of logarithm. Here, the law states that if you have a given law, or let's say base m minus log b base m, the same law states that if the base of the log are the same, you pick one of the log with the base, then you divide the superscript. So you have a divided by b. This is saying log a over b base m. The third law we have is log of a number to a given base. You have log of a number to a given base. The log of a number to a given base is always 0. Log of any number to a given base is always 0. So log of 1 to a base n is 0. Log of 2 to a base n is 0. Log of 3 to a base n is always 0. And there's a proof for this. The simple proof for this is realize that if you go through the law of indices, we can say log m, 1 is same as m raised to the power 0 base n. Now, this 0 will multiply the log. You have 0 multiplied by log m base m. That's 0 multiplied by log of a number with the same base is 1, which will be the next law we want to talk about. So 0 times 1 is what? 0. This is simple proving for the simple proof for this. In this fourth law, logarithm is log of a number with the same base. So you have log m base m. As long as the number is the same with the base, is always equal to 1. Usually if you have log 2 base 2, that will be 1. So if you have log 4 base 2 base 4, that will be 1. So once the number is the same with the base, automatically that log, the answer is 1. And the last one we'll talk about is if you have given a log a having a power of b multiplied by m, this is automatically saying that b, this power, will multiply the log. So we have b multiplied by log b a base m. So b times the power of that value, we multiply the log itself. So we have b multiplied by log a base m. So b multiplied by log a base m will be log a base m. So these are automatically 5 of the laws of physics. Let's just quickly talk about one of the last law or law, which is if you have now the power is now a in the base. So if you have log a and the power now is automatically at the base n. Now, if this power is multiplying the log, it comes in an inverse. So you have 1 over n log a base m. So if you have log a base n, and the power is in the base, then the power multiply the log, but will come in an inverse of it. So n is same as n over 1. So the inverse of n over 1 is 1 over n. 1 over n will multiply the log. So you have 1 over n log a base n. Now, if you have any question involving any of this, or want me to expatiate more on this, do well to drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question also, you can drop in the comment section. I'll go through it. We'll solve it together and I'll make it easier for us. Have a nice day. Thank you for attending class and God bless.